Hi, I'm Dr. Lucas Datoka, and I lead the rollout of the vaccination program through GPs. I wanted to update you on the use of the AstraZeneca vaccine, given the increased risk of people becoming infected with the COVID-19 Delta strain at the moment. If you have had your first AstraZeneca dose at least 4 weeks ago, you should arrange your second dose as soon as possible. This advice has come from the Australian Technical Advisory Group on Immunisation, or ATAGI. Remember, for people aged 60 and over, the benefits of being vaccinated with the AstraZeneca vaccine strongly outweigh the risks. Vaccination is essential for this group in an outbreak. Because supply of the Pfizer vaccine is limited right now, adults under the age of 60 should think about the benefits and risks of getting earlier protection through the AstraZeneca vaccine. You could talk to your doctor about it. Vaccination can provide increased benefits when there's a higher risk of people getting COVID-19 in an outbreak. Thank you. For more information, visit health.gov.au. Call the Disability Gateway helpline on 1800 643 787 or visit the Disability Gateway website on www.disabilitygateway.gov.au. If you are deaf or have a hearing or speech impairment, you can call the National Relay Service on 133 677.